Easily create interactive experiences with quizzes and branching scenarios using Colossyan. Whether you want to make your onboarding more engaging, take product demos to a new level, create scenario-based training, or let your viewers choose relevant topics or services, Colossyan can help.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm here to help you with your digital onboarding. Would you like to start with our holiday policy or work from home policy?
Hi, I'm Emma. I've joined last week. I have a bit of a problem with my team, and I was wondering if you have a minute to talk about it.
Thanks for contacting our digital help desk. How can I help?
Interactivity can help you keep your viewers engaged while providing a personalized, effective experience for all kinds of use cases. Try out Colossyan and start creating interactive experiences that will truly connect with your audience.